hope that you're all safe and well. Welcome to another week in review. Our top 5 videos this week in no particular order. Why is DMG MORI's NLX 2500 the best-selling machine? MTD CNC visited DMG MORI to look at some of the machines that they were highlighting at MAC 2020. Steve Finn explains that the NLX range is their best-selling turn-in solution as it's so flexible, but also it can offer great milling capabilities. The machine fits in very well to the subcontracting market, and with DMG MORI's unique finance options offering no payment for up to 6 months, it really is unbeatable. Contact DMG MORI UK as they have stock ready to be delivered. Number 2 is meet the ITC 600, the laser tracker with reflectorless capabilities. Before the COVID-19 outbreak, Mark Denman visited Hexagon Manufacturing Intelligence to meet with John Kimber to discuss the new ATS 600 laser absolute tracker. Measuring at 1,000 points per second and at a range of 60 meters, this is the first reflectorless tracker of its kind. Ideal for many applications including the railway industry, shipbuilding and marine, the tracker has also a particular uptake and interest within the aerospace industry.
But one thing which is exceptional is the software. Do you have new software with this?
Yeah, I mean, typically again with Leica, we've launched it at launch with full compatibility and checks to 4 of our traditional sort of favourite softwares. Some of those are Hexagon, some of those are non-Hexagon because we know that users have a preference. We have recently launched another software called Inspire. If anybody's interested in seeing how that works, they can contact us. It's basically an entry-level software that's got superb capabilities for point clouds. So this ATS 600 generates quite large point clouds at 1,000 points a second, like I said. So yeah, check out Inspire if you want to see it.
Number 3 is all new slider, well upgraded then. As we know, Citizen Machinery provide a range of Syncom sliding head machines. Part of that portfolio is the A20. It's fast, nimble, accurate and loads of tools, as you would expect. Not only that, it has a unique LFV technology which boasts a number of benefits.
So, in a nutshell, I can run my LFV and I can run 24/7.
In a nutshell.
Okay, but I've seen LFV before. It's fantastic in terms of cycle times and process security, but you have to have Mitsubishi controls.
Well, this one is a Fanuc control, so it's interesting.
Okay. So those, I mean, some guys like to stay with the Fanuc controls, so now they can go LFV essentially.
Yeah, and people love this little machine, you know, so they don't have to go to like a Mitsubishi control. Some people might want to stick with their Fanuc, and now we can.
Number 4 is horn broaching systems, reduce step-ups and improves efficiency. Horn cutting tools are a cutting tool manufacturer with a global footprint and are well known for being a world leader in grooving and broaching technology. In this video, MTD's Joe Reynolds talks through the impressive range that Horn offers in the marketplace.
So whilst we're talking about specials, where are they produced?
Looking at the systems in front of us, a lot of the specials are produced here in Ringwood at our UK manufacturing facility. If we're talking about manufacturing lead times, we can turn around an uncoated special in around 7 working days, whereas if we have to coat something, we're looking at 14 working days manufacturing lead time.
And finally, ITC, the cutting edge for the UK industry in times of need. Paul talks with Peter Groves from ITC Tooling about the impact COVID-19 has had on his business in the recent weeks. It's great to hear that the company are delivering products to help the UK industry in this time of need.
But you're also carrying around about 100,000 products in stock as well, so you're not just making to quick turnarounds, you've got them there ready for delivery.
In fact, that's probably a conservative estimate now. It's over £3 million worth of stock, and that's split between our own product that we make here and Whittier product, which we, as I say, we're the agent for, which is solid carbide and these days increasingly indexable as well. And also, of course, we're the agent for Big Kaiser in the UK, and we keep stock of their product here.
The winner from Question Time's competition this month is Craig Henningham. He's a Health and Safety Manager at Power Talk Engineering Limited. So well done, Craig. You have won a £100 Amazon voucher from LK Metrology. Well, that's it from me this week. I'll see you next week for another Week in Review.